Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create a short 3D stool in AutoCAD. Okay, let's see. Drawing units, unit, length type decimal, precision 0, insertion scale set millimeters. Okay, now go workspace, 3D modeling tick. Okay, go circle, C enter, center point, diameter D enter, 325 millimeter enter, Z enter, A enter, zoom all, move M enter, select object. Okay, now go view control, select SW isometric. Okay, go line, L enter, create line, enter, go array, pole array, select line, center point, numbers 4, enter, enter. Okay, now go rectangle, rec enter, first corner point, dimension D enter, type length 40, enter, 40, enter. Okay, click here, move M enter, select object, base point, auto off, type from, enter, click base point. Okay, press F8, auto on, distance 35 millimeter, enter. Okay, line, L enter, create line, first point, length 480, enter, line length 100, enter, exit, copy, CO enter, select rectangle, base point, paste here. Okay, exit. Now go modeling, click here, select loft, select object, select. Okay, enter, enter. Okay, now go solid, fillet edge, radius R enter, 3 millimeter radius, enter, select, select, enter, enter, enter. Okay, go home, pole array, select solid, enter, center point, items 4, enter, enter. Okay, select array set, exploit, select leg, solid leg, go isolate object, height object. Okay, now go solid editing, select, copy edges, select, enter, base point, second point, click here, enter, enter. Okay, go lengthen, select line, select total, total length 125, enter, select, copy each line, enter, enter. Okay, go coordinates, click here, select face, select face, accept, enter. Okay, now go rectangle, rec enter, first corner point, dimension D, enter, length 25, enter, 25, enter. Okay, click here. Okay, again go rectangle, rectangle, first corner point, dimension 30, enter, 20, enter. Okay, click here. Again go copy edge, select edge line, enter, enter, base point, second point, enter, enter. Okay, again go lengthen, select line, select total 125, enter, quick, select line, enter, enter. Okay, go coordinates, select face, select face, accept, go rectangle, go rectangle, enter, first corner point, dimension 25, enter, 25, enter, click here. Okay, okay, repeat rectangle, enter, first corner point, dimension D, enter, 30, enter, 20, enter, click here. Okay, now go modeling, select loft, select, enter, enter, again loft, select, enter, enter. Okay, go coordinates, select, use this world coordinate. Okay, go unisolate object, end object isolation. Okay, go solid tab, fillet edge, radius 2 mm radius, enter, select edge, select. Okay, enter, enter. Okay, select line, delete, go home tab, polarity, select object, enter, center point, items 4, enter, enter. Okay, select array set, exploit. Okay, delete line. Now go modeling, select extrude, select circle, enter, height 20, enter, go solid, fillet edge, radius 5 mm, select edge, enter, enter, repeat fillet edge, radius 2 mm, select edge, enter, enter. Okay, view control, select top, coordinates, select view. Okay, view control, select SW isometric, visual style control, select shaded. Okay, Okay, go union, select all objects, enter. Okay, go material, browse AutoCAD library, select wood, teak, select, drag and drop, go to AutoCAD library, select stone, select fine polished white, drag and drop here. Okay, select stool, select teak, visual style control, realistic, it's okay. Go with control, select top, coordinates, select view. Okay, exit from material browser, select 2D wireframe, plane surface, okay, view control, establish isometric, select surface, 3D move, select axis, 480, enter. Okay, now go material browser, select surface, select fine polished, edit fine polished, click here, 450, enter, polished, finish, glossy, close, exit from material browser. Okay, realistic, right click, select perspective. Okay, zoom, set enter. Okay, now go visualize, select render environment, turn on, use custom background, select solid, click here. Okay, close, no shadows, render size full HDTV. Now render. Okay, thanks for watching, have a nice day.